In this video, I'm going to show you how to download folders in Google Drive quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick if you want to save an entire folder to your computer, back up your files, or move documents, photos, and other content offline in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once you're inside Drive, take a moment to locate the folder you want to download. You can scroll through your files, use the search bar if needed, or open the correct shared drive if the folder is stored there. The key here is to make sure you're selecting the exact folder you want because Google Drive will download everything inside it. After you've found the folder, right-click on it. On a computer, this will open a menu with several options. From that menu, click Download. If you're using a trackpad or a different device setup, you can also use the three-dot menu next to the folder if right-clicking doesn't work. Either way, you're looking for the Download option. Once you click Download, Google Drive will begin preparing the folder for download. At this stage, Google Drive compresses the entire folder into a zip file. This is completely normal, and it may take a little bit of time depending on how large the folder is and how many files it contains. If the folder has lots of documents, images, or videos, just be patient and let the process finish. When the zip file is ready, your browser will start downloading it to your computer automatically. You may see the download appear in the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads folder depending on the browser you're using. Once the file finishes downloading, you can open it on your computer and extract the contents to access all of the files inside the folder. That's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can download a full Google Drive folder without having to save every file one by one. This is one of the easiest ways to back up your files or move a folder to another device. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. And if you want more Google Drive tips and step-by-step guides, make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.